iPhone 13 ಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಡಿವೈಸ್.
Hello, this is Umesh and I am coming from Davangere. We got on this mobile last 2 months ago, and it will be destroyed in the water. It will be put it in the water. So we are do the visit to at Hubli service station, iPhone service centers. The provider will be say that it's cost about for repairing 30,000 above, and it will be not show during the time. So we just check in the internet. At the time, as it available iPhone service centers at Repairmadi is the name of the service center in Bangalore. So he was making a did it, and it will be very fine and nice. So we are really appreciate the Repairmadi service center.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Thank you.